How do I chat with Zoho support? Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to chat with Zoho support. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Zoho CRM's official website. Once you're on the home page, sign into your Zoho account by clicking the Sign In button at the top right. Now, if your Zoho account is linked to Google, just click on the Google Sign In option and select the account you've connected with Zoho CRM. Once signed in, you'll be taken to your Zoho CRM dashboard. Now, head to the bottom right corner and click on Help icon purple color. The option that says Chat with us, a chat window will pop up instantly. Type in your message, whether it's a technical issue, billing question, or anything else related to Zoho, and hit send. A support agent will reply shortly to help you out. That's how easy it is to connect with Zoho's support team through chat. Just be clear and brief with your message so they can assist you quickly. That's all for the video.